Welcome to Project Syndicate Algo Trading Systems Tutorials. In this series, we take the ideas that separate operators from buyers, expectancy, risk, market regimes, execution, and cost, and make each one plain in a few focused minutes. No hype, no hooks, no screenshots of profit. Just the trading logic, built up one metric at a time. Let's begin. Everyone thinks high-frequency trading is won by the fastest computer. It isn't. It's won by the most deterministic one. This episode rebuilds the tick-to-trade pipeline from the wire inward and shows why the edge lives in the tail of the latency distribution, not the average. Retail sees HFT as fast trading, the same game, just quicker. That frame is wrong. High-frequency trading is not a strategy, it's a latency. Engineering discipline. You are not competing on ideas about where price goes. You are competing against physics, the speed of light, and against your own machine's jitter. Being fast on average is table stakes. Everyone at the co-location facility is fast. The money is made and lost in the tail of the latency distribution. The rare nanoseconds when your system stalls. Determinism, not raw speed, is the edge. Here's why a nanosecond moves dollars. An exchange matching engine is a queue sorted by time priority. The earliest timestamp wins. The first system to react to a price change takes the stale quote, captures the spread, and steps ahead in the queue. Arrive a microsecond late, and you sit at the back, filled only when the market has already moved against you. That's adverse selection. You win the small, obvious trades and lose the informed ones. It's why firms now push the physical layer past fiber. Microwave and millimeter wavelengths. Hollow core fiber. Shaving the speed of light tax between data centers. How fast information reaches you is the edge. Now picture the machine as a tick-to-trade pipeline with a nanosecond budget. Photons hit a kernel bypass network card inside the cage, DPDK, solar flare onload, or FEV, skipping the operating system entirely. A feed handler decodes the multicast protocol and updates an in-memory order book held as replica A and replica B, so a failover never touches disk. Every event is stamped by a PTP or white rabbit clock synced to the sub-nanosecond, then dropped onto a lock-free ring. An FPGA evaluates the tick and fires an order in tens of nanoseconds through hardware pre-trade risk checks into a smart order router and out to NASDAQ. Software runs the slow path. Strategy, parameters, machine learning alpha. The frontier now is pushing the order book and the risk gate into the smart IC or an ASIC, so the decision happens inside the network itself. So how does a desk actually build this? 4 moves. First, co-locate beside the matching engine and discipline time. PTP or white rabbit, hardware timestamps, because you cannot optimize what you cannot measure. Second, bypass the kernel and pin everything. Isolated cores, huge pages, busy polling, 0 interrupts. Third, push the decision into silicon. An FPGA today, and ASIC for the single hottest signal. Fourth, and most overlooked, put risk in the fast path and measure the tail. P99.9 jitter and tick to trade, never the comfortable average. The operator's North Star is determinism, not a headline speed number. Here's how it dies. Your average latency is beautiful, best on the desk. Then one garbage collection pause, one cache miss, one stray kernel interrupt injects a microsecond of jitter. Your cancel arrives late. The quote you meant to pull is still resting on the book precisely when informed flow arrives, and it lifts your stale price. That isn't bad luck, it's structural. A system with a great mean and an ugly tail gets picked off exactly when it's wrong, so it wins pennies and loses dollars. The average latency lied to you. The tail told the truth. So return to the opening line. High-frequency trading is not won by the fastest machine. It's won by the most deterministic one. The firms that survive engineer for the worst, nanosecond, not the average one. They treat jitter as the enemy, sync time to the sub-nanosecond, and judge the system by its tail. Speed gets you a seat at the cage. Determinism is what keeps you solvent once you're there. That's the tutorial for today. One metric, understood properly, is worth more than 100 you half know. If it sharpened how you think, subscribe and tap the bell so the next tutorial finds you. Drop a like and tell me in the comments which topic to break down next. The operating notes and the implementation side are linked below and in Telegram. Use what's useful, ignore what isn't, and I'll see you in the next one.